The sum of the interior angles of a convex n-sided polygon is less than 2019. In any convex polygons, the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 into 180. This number should be less than 2019. That is what is given. So let's cancel this 180. 180 ones are 180 and left with 21, 219 again one time. And out of 219, 180 has gone. That is 20 and this is 19. The total 39 exactly, almost 2 times, 11.2 I'm getting. So n minus 2 value is less than 11.2, n value is less than 13.2. The number of sides is integer, less than 13.2, the maximum value of n is 13.